on Broadway where you see St. Joe Hospital is. One of my doctors used to be over there. This hospital's got a lot of history with it. They're gonna tear it down. I guess there was a fire in it yesterday. Again, this hospital's been there for forever. I had my appendicitis surgery over this way. Take a look. So when you guys used to come down Berry, see this big old hospital. This hospital's been through a lot of stuff. Actually, they're tearing it down now. Yeah. Good old St. Joe Hospital. I don't know what they're going to turn this into after they tear it down. What do you see there? They got blocked off. A lot of people's worked here, a lot of people's sacrificed, and everything else over here. So yes. So yeah, here's part one of the St. Joe video. Here's the front of it.